By the end of the year, I aspire to have a helicopter view of business processes and departments and how they manage to cooperate in order to achieve a specific goal. I work as a consultant right now, and I can see that whenever I speak with different departments, I can understand what they're talking about. So I guess that all of the intense courses that we had during last year really paid off, and I got the knowledge I wanted to get. I'm a business and integration senior analyst in Accenture. It was one of the first companies that I aimed to apply for, but I was lucky enough and they kind of approached me. And also in one of our elective courses, we had a business challenge where the Belux Innovation director was there. He was part of the jury. So what happened is basically right before my final interview, he was there, and we also had a discussion. And yeah, after that, I don't know if it was a coincidence, but I got my job. I would like to improve my negotiation skills because I think it's very important for the professional and personal life of an individual. Because in order to be able to support your interests, support your ideas, you should be able to communicate it and try to get the other part to understand your view. I can totally see the difference, like I can feel the difference through my presentations and through the way things are evolving so far. One of my favorite parts was when we had the in-company project, because we had the chance to go to the United States. We had the help from Martin Weiss, and he really supported us in our research and in the way we should deliver to the company the results that they expected us to deliver. We gained so much in terms of getting insights in the industry. But also in terms of how to operate in a different cultural environment. And yeah, we really enjoyed the whole process. Before coming and studying in Vlerick, I did have 3 years of working experience, but I was trying to redefine my career path, and I'm really glad that I did it because it showed me pretty much a lot of different aspects and a lot of different opportunities that I could take. And yes, I'm very glad that I chose the specific path. I can feel that this is the one for me. If I could turn back time, I would definitely do Vlerick all over again. Even the late nights of studying and tight deadlines, yeah. I could do that again. I think it's one of the 5 experiences in my life that I really consider to be determinant for my personal development.